Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking and another installment of Soul Food Sunday. Today, I'll be making mac and cheese. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 1 pound of elbow macaroni, 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of butter, 6 ounces of provolone cheese, 6 ounces of mustard cheese, 8 ounces of sharp cheddar, 8 ounces of mild cheddar, 8 ounces of Monterey Jack, 6 ounces of Velveeta cheese, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2.5 teaspoons of pink Himalayan salt. Add your water and 1 teaspoon of salt to a pot, then bring to a boil. Now add the macaroni and cook for 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 7 minutes, remove it from the heat and drain off the water. Now place your macaroni in a 5.4 quart baking dish. Add the butter, milk, and eggs. Season with the pepper and the remaining salt, then mix until well combined. Now add your 6 cheeses and mix until well combined. Now transfer to your preheated oven and bake for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, give your mac and cheese a stir to better incorporate the cheeses. Now allow your mac and cheese to bake for an additional 25 minutes, then it is ready to serve. Don't forget to head on over to Smoking and Grilling with AB to see what he's cooking up this Soul Food Sunday. Also, search the hashtag Soul Food Sunday to see what other great channels are cooking up as well. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp